What is up, guys? It's your boy Andy Arts, and today we are going to be drawing Goku, right? Our favorite Super Saiyan, one of the top, top of the top of the best, greatest of all time anime, most respected anime. Next, I think next to One Piece, you know. But for the most part, Goku, well, Dragon Ball has been more popular than One Piece for the longest time. And then, of course, recently, One Piece has become more popular. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already drew my circle here, divided it in half, and I'm already creating the chin for our character Goku here. And yeah, so this is how we're gonna get started. And let me try and zoom in. Okay, here. Okay, so it took a few minutes to get the details of the head and face, but now I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up so that we can draw the hair. So here we go. Okay, so here we're gonna start creating the body for our favorite Super Saiyan, and I usually follow the same process. So what you see here, this circle that I drew, this is the rib cage, right? So if you have studied anatomy, um, the rib cage is basically kind of it's shaped like an egg, right? It's shaped like an egg at first, and then of course you define it. But this works even for like the Dragon Ball style. This works for all anime styles really. Although the Dragon Ball style tends to be a little unique in the way it looks, but still you can still use the X shape to form the rib cage, and then of course the muscles around the rest of the body, giving it that that muscular aesthetic. So here we're just finishing up the neck muscles, and yeah, so it's important to really learn your anatomy, from bone to muscle, so that you can really understand what is happening. Like why does it look the way it does? Because even like quirky, funny anime styles, like let's say One Piece, right? Even in One Piece, you still the Eiichiro Oda still uses real human proportions, you know, and to draw muscular bodies like in Dragon Ball, you gotta learn your anatomy of proportions. Every muscle in the body, or at least muscle groups. It's better to learn muscle groups because you're not gonna get every single tiny little muscle in the body. There's a lot of like little pulley systems in the body. So just to make it easier, it's better to learn muscle groups. Keep that in mind, right? So as you can see, we're starting to form his upper body. You get the biceps, the shoulders, the pecs, right? So it's looking pretty cool. So I am going to speed it up just a little bit. So here we go. Okay, so this is looking pretty cool, pretty good. We're forming the body, and I'm just trying to shape out the body so that we can then go and start drawing on his clothes. His gi is called a gi, the martial arts outfit that Goku wears, or I guess you can call it like the karate outfit, right? So you can call it the karate outfit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up so that we can go ahead and draw his clothes. Here we go. All right, so this is actually looking pretty good, pretty cool. I'm liking it. I'm liking the way it looks. So, do you think his head is a little big? Nah. I don't know. I think I say I got the head pretty right. So what I'm gonna start doing here, I'm just gonna start erasing, the part. What I'm using a rubber eraser, and it doesn't erase the entire thing. It just fades it out so that then I can go ahead and use a much thinner pencil, mechanical pencil. All right, so we're gonna erase the parts, gonna erase the lines that we don't need, and then we are gonna go ahead and draw in the lines that we do need to complete this drawing. So we went ahead and faded it. So let's go ahead and use a thinner pencil, 0.5. Here we go. Okay, so this came out looking pretty cool, guys. I can't complain. And again, we just use a mechanical pencil, and I think the anatomy is pretty good. We got the muscle groups in right for Goku, and Akira Toriyama tends to draw the muscles a little bit different, but still pretty realistic. And then we got of course, the anime face. So, I think I might have drawn his head a little bit big, but other than that, the rest of his body is absolutely looking good. So I'm actually happy with this drawing. We shaded in, and if you like this video, I'm going to be drawing more anime characters. So subscribe to the channel, subscribe, and like the video. See you next time, dudes.